Hair loss is devastating. I treat patients with it every day and also suffer from it myself. I'm thrilled to introduce a groundbreaking new product. This is the FDA-cleared Actonis LaserComb by Hairmax. It has 18 lasers and is the only laser comb on the market with 2 wavelengths, allowing it to target both the hair and the scalp. It has been clinically proven to reverse thinning and stimulate hair growth with a 97% success rate. How do I know it works? It's backed by extensive research, including research done right here at the Cleveland Clinic. The laser comb has teeth that part the hair to allow maximum penetration, and it uses medical grade lasers, not LEDs like other brands. Why do I love this device? It works, it's easy to use, it's natural and requires no medication, it can be used for all types of hair loss, and finally, this is the first low-level laser device that I'd recommend anywhere near this price range. And it's not just the laser. Your hair treatment can be enhanced when paired with the Actonis Hair and Scalp Dual Action supplements, which are the first supplements formulated to provide optimal nutrition for every stage of your hair cycle.